How are we all doing? We opened a little trade the other day. Well, yesterday. We opened it right about here. Actually, no, not right about there. It was actually exactly right there. We opened a little 5x long trade. Dipped a little bit down and almost hit our stop loss. Almost hit the stop loss. But now we're pumping all the way up to our take profit. We were going off of the 10-minute chart here. And I bought in right here because I saw this nice little anchor wave down there, then the trigger wave, so I decided to buy in there. But the money flow, as we can see, kind of dipped down a little bit more. Well, it was going up into the green and then dipped down. Almost hit the stop loss, but then it just kept going right back up through. So I believe it's going to hit the take profit. We're going to let it do that. We're not going to move the take profit. We're just going to let it be as it is. And it's a little $8.50. Or if it does hit the stop loss, it's down $4.20. Not too bad, but at the moment, up 16.7%. $7.10 on the table. It's a pretty good little trade. Eventually, we're going to be adding some more trading videos up on here, aside from just the GoMining videos. But yeah, probably post another video or a little screenshot if this does hit the take profit, or if we get a full-on reverse and it goes all the way down to the stop loss. But from what the 10-minute looks like and the 5-minute, we're gonna hit this very easily. So everyone, take care. Don't get too kamikaze with the leverage trading, and stay in the green.